Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Trezor Model T. First, connect your device to your computer using the provided USB-C cable. Next, visit the official Trezor website to download and install the Trezor Suite application. Before proceeding, always check the holographic seal on your device packaging to ensure it hasn't been tampered with, which is a crucial security step. Once connected and Trezor Suite is running, your device will likely require a firmware installation. This is normal, as Trezor devices ship without pre-installed firmware for security. Follow the on-screen prompts to install the latest version. After firmware installation, you will be asked to choose a unique name for your Trezor Model T. Confirm this name directly on your device's touchscreen. The next critical step is backing up your recovery seed. Your Trezor Model T will generate a 12-word recovery seed. Write these words down precisely on the provided recovery cards. Store these cards in a safe, private, and offline location, as they are the master key to your funds. Finally, set a strong PIN, typically 4 to 9 digits long, directly on your Trezor's touchscreen to protect against unauthorized physical access. To finalize your setup, you will be prompted to confirm your recovery seed by re-entering a few specific words on the device. This verifies your backup is correct. Once complete, you can explore the Trezor Suite, which offers features like managing multiple cryptocurrencies, sending and receiving funds, and even built-in exchange options. Also, for more financial wisdom, check the description for a link to a highly recommended book and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.